Have you ever heard a piano whisper a memory? This isn't just an instrument. It's a city of forgotten songs. A place where melodies live quietly between rooftops and dreams. Look closely. The keys are streets. The notes are windows. Every chord becomes a home. Every silence an alley of thought. A world unfolds, hand-painted in soft colors and quiet lines. It feels familiar, like something from long ago. A tune you knew by heart as a child, but can't quite remember now. There's a street lamp, glowing like a single warm note on a cold night. Figures walk past, silent but alive, as if each step is part of a song only they can hear. This city isn't loud, it doesn't shout. It hums gently in your chest, like the feeling of returning home, to a place that never really existed except in your heart. What kind of soul builds a piano out of houses? What kind of heart sees architecture in music? Only an artist brave enough to feel, instead of just see. Because art like this doesn't just decorate a wall. It holds you. It sits beside you when you're alone. It plays the notes you couldn't say out loud. And suddenly you realize, this isn't a piano at all. It's you, your hopes, your memories, your quietest thoughts, all drawn in watercolor and wonder. If this picture touched you, even for a moment, hold it close, let it stay. And if you'd like to walk through more worlds like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There's a whole universe in every brushstroke. Let's explore it together.